you're just staying quiet. You know, how you're sitting next to a guy who is openly embracing a child predator. I'm talking about GoldToes. And you're quiet, Gil? All right, I saw what you're really about. And Boo Boo, I saw what you're really about too. Because, you know, how you left SunnyAcosta hanging and you rode with AmericanCholo for money too. But, you know, I'm letting everybody know what's really going on. And I want everyone listening to this and watching this to watch that interview and to also ask Gil in his face when you see him, when you see him on social media, when he's live on YouTube, and, you know, call into a show and ask him, hey, how come you're letting GoldToes, you know, slide with all this, you know,